Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the VLAN on your MG card. So it works for any MG card. I'm on the MG S5 EV, and if you have the VLAN option, it will definitely work. Swipe to the right for settings. Here we go to VLAN, and here we can connect to a network. So here you need to select your network. And here you will see a keyboard. You need to enter the password. And once you enter the password, you just click on OK. It should connect pretty easily. Here we have currently connected. We got the Wi-Fi icon right here at the top, and we can see that everything works just fine. So if you're close to your home, you can connect to your home Wi-Fi. For example, you can give yourself a hotspot and etc. So that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.